Hello students, I hope you are doing great. I, Bhavna Manyal, will be starting with the ITM lab lecture. This is specifically for MBA students as per the GGS University MS 151. As far as the syllabus is concerned, university has included four major topics for ITM lab. First is operating system commands. In this, we will be discussing about basic DOS commands, internal and external both. Second is SQL queries. Then third, basic HTML tags. And fourth, spreadsheet exercises for data analysis. So let's begin with operating system commands. Before starting with the commands directly, let's understand few basic concepts associated with operating system. So let's understand the concept of operating system. OS is a link between computer hardware and a user, or we call it as an intermediate between a computer hardware and a user. Next we have disk operating system, DOS. DOS is an operating system. It works as an interpreter between user and a computer. We usually mention commands in English because as a layman we do not understand machine language. So this is the working of the operating system which converts the English language into the machine language and then process it to get the output. And output is also given in English so that it can be easily understood by the end user like you and me. So let's understand the basic definition of DOS. It is an operating system. It works as an interpreter between user and a computer. We usually mention commands in English language and it gets converted into the machine language. Then computer system processes the information and gives the result in English. Next that we need to study is booting. Booting is basically the process of starting up the computer system and searching for the operating system. Once the operating system is searched, then it is loaded into the main memory of the computer. Next, coming to the detailed booting process, it starts with switching on the computer system, then checking all the peripheral devices. If all these peripheral devices attached to the computer are working properly, then computer will go for the memory check. If memory is working okay, then it will look for operating system, DOS in case of Windows. If operating system is found, it will get loaded into the main memory and it will display the operating system prompt. That means DOS prompt in Windows computer system. So it will stop the booting process. Next we move to the types of command that we'll be discussing in DOS. Basically there are two types of command in DOS: internal commands and external commands. Internal commands are also called as memory resident commands, whereas external commands are also called as disk resident commands. Internal commands are basically loaded into the computer memory during the booting process. These commands are actually included in the command.com file. So these commands are executable immediately after getting the DOS prompt. Whereas external commands are found in the external file on the hard disk or the floppy disk so that they don't typically consume valuable memory space. These commands are meant for special purposes only. So they are loaded into the memory only when they are required. External commands require special files for their executions, without which it is not possible to execute them. I hope you would have able to understand the basic concept of operating system, DOS, booting along with booting process, and two types of commands that we'll be discussing in DOS: internal commands and external commands. Thank you, good luck and goodbye.